Hi guys, welcome to Mark's Irish Kitchen, where I do family-friendly recipes that everyone can enjoy. So today's video was for a zingy Mongolian pork chop. It's spicy, it's got umami flavours, it's been marinated for 24 hours. It goes char grilled, it goes great on the barbecue. So just sit back, relax and enjoy, and thanks for watching. Hi guys, so first of all we start off with our pork chops. We trim off as much of the visible fat as we can to try and keep this dish as healthy as we can. Then we're going to make our marinade. First of all we start off with some finely chopped green chilli. Then to that we add some ginger paste. Then we add some of our sliced green onions. And some garlic paste. Then we add our hoisin sauce. And some of our soy sauce. Next to that we add some apple cider vinegar. And then some honey to counteract the tartness of the apple cider vinegar. This gives it a sweet and sour flavour. Then we add a pinch of ground coriander. You can use fresh coriander, cilantro if you wish. And season. Obviously with the soy sauce in it we go easier on the salt than we do on the pepper. Give it a good mix round and get it ready for our pork chops. So then we add our pork chops. Give it a good stir. Make sure all of the pork chops are covered because you want the marinade to get into everywhere. I cover mine with some beeswax and pop it in the fridge for 24 hours. If you don't have 24 hours, 2 to 3 hours, but overnight if possible. So we remove our pork chops from the fridge. They've been marinating all night. And as you can see, they've started to go the same colour as the marinade. Now, over to our frying pan, spray some oil on it, and add our pork chops. These chops go really well on the barbecue as well, but as the weather's bad here in Ireland, we cook them on the pan. Once our chops are on, we take our marinade and we paste the chops. Put plenty of marinade on them, it does help caramelize them whenever they're cooking. Cook them for 3 to 4 minutes on each side. When you flip them over, put some more marinade on the other side. Now that they're cooked, just check the temperature, take them off and let them rest for about 10 minutes. While our pork chops are resting, we're going to make our crème fraiche dip. So we have some freshly squeezed lemon juice, some crushed ginger, the zest of a lemon, and some salt. Give this a good stir. And then we have our crème fraiche. You could use natural yogurt if you wish, but I use crème fraiche. Now we add our lemon and ginger mix to our crème fraiche and give it a good stir. Once that's all mixed up, we add a small bunch of cilantro, finely chopped, into our crème fraiche mixture. Now let's serve our Mongolian style pork chops. I like to serve mine with a mixed salad. As you can see, the salad I have is onions, olives, tomatoes, lettuce. Then we pop on our pork chops. And drizzle over some of our crème fraiche dressing. I hope you enjoyed this video for Mongolian style pork chops. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching, and there's some other videos at the end of this video.